Funflex 47 SS runway. Komt op terug.
Hello, my name is Vasily with Blue Sky Star Simulations. We have created the total immersion sound pack for Jar Design A330. This beautiful model that deserves to have a special sound for anything from a small push button up to Honeywell 331 APU, in-out, start, run and shut sounds. And a triple spool high bypass turbofan with max thrust up to 71,000 pounds, Rolls-Royce Trent 700. The video cannot really fully express the infamous Hall sound and spool to wine sounds we have. There are over 100 new custom sounds for everything on board. Enjoy our flight. Every switch, button or lever has its own unique sound. Avionics have their full cycle with system self-test. I cut off part of the video because it comes online within 1 minute. In case if it's raining, you don't need an umbrella. We got a sound for every wiper position, from slow to fast and wiper off. Flaps with no engines running, we can have it with PTU. Honeywell 331. Yes guys, that's just a PU. And it's time to get those big boys rolling. Those are only some highlights, and you cannot really feel it through video. Thanks for watching, keep eyes open for release.